It's a new 2019 Honda Civic hatchback. Aggressive by design with a fierce shape and engine, this Civic hatchback is perfectly suited for those who love to drive. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.